favorite, all-time favorite actor will be who?
Ghana pa, right now. Everybody's good though, but I think my all-time will be Agya Koo.
Oni actors be right Juma. McBrown like him we Juma. Oni Kokumenu aye Juma. Oni acrobat aye Juma. Sha acrobat Agya Koo any all-time favorite. Oni na ma ya adwene. YouTube shall say na Agya Koo nshara active bebre. Wo shall say we Juma. Who ni say obota ya odi wani so for now movie industry no abem.
Ana YouTube no so nyamie ne no chel problem. Ansa na me kura me bi wure. Wo hwe Ghana movie ya the bibiala yebeka 1 and 2 anachese waka ho yebeka part 1 and 2 anachese oyede waka ho bisini nam so agigi din bebre susu no ombi intina menene ne balance no de nyame ani ni menye sure say if you say your shots yebepim say abi obi no obi was have collaboration
and also odie anyone
Lemfi asa aka omuhu biem Poleeno there you make just download Lemfi na issue a free nay ekosi 9th of September Lemfi says so issue Lemfi they send this guy about $50 €50 £50 or chow 2% cashback straight and so we'll send this guy come on for now we home percentage Lemfi pay and app a bit me aye and to just go straight on your Google Play Store and I say iOS they could download the Lemfi. Kai say Poleeno me na me catch you into use promo code Poleeno Poleeno. Lemfi can surprise you anytime and to just download Lemfi next start to use Lemfi na enjoy Nepal Lemfi edema ne lovely customers.
All right, Chobia aha Poleeno Multimedia me Ed Fresh Boy Papa J. Yeah, fans no baby amu bia so wo Ghana so abroche baby a wo bia wo hwe me bia no nyankopo enka mo hona hyamode na anytime bia no see videos to mo amunya daje ehwe like ehwe mankofo nye behwe no nyankopo nso so enhyira mo na mo nso so a mo TikToker a video to mo within few seconds na mo atam video no na mo cut in the part 1 part 2 part 3 no oh chale munya butiro kese u drop video within seconds na amanfo afa video no shell into pieces at the top platform so just say obey den it's all good but yes remo say mo yeah I am show credit what I am show credit because yeah wo ho mamo what yes yeah wo ho mamo it say create content na say won age ho a wafa yen kanjo yen timi stop e o na mom I show credit dem I am ntwen kakra video no to mu a mon ntwen kakra be the next day kwa ranka mo kati post ya nke enye bone na so to mu na no guy baako me call live on TikTok na o ka chem say papa J video bi a o ye na ma me channel ni hit you me the million views na am say sa o say I mo di to mu na ma fa na am say oh Charlie I am nya twen kakra but it's all good ye nyina ye boa my industry no niama etimi akode na ye ba be bon komo kakra ye ba be bon komo kakra na ye nkomo na ye be bono we are going to have a conversation around and from the movie industry nkomo bi akoso from the movie industry ye pese na ye di mi ankasa me nemo edi hu nkomo kakra nti na mebusa question mebusa no momfa answers nya emma me at the comment section ba na the answers nya me at the comment section conversation ye ba have and then say yeah kase all-time favorite actor wo why and to go to the comment section now watch them your all-time favorite actor and now say your best 5 favorite actors ewo Kumawood your best 5 favorite actors ewo Kumawood to the comment section go there and list the best 5 one kasa uji say me say actors so manka actresses when it comes to best now I know most of the time no and I say all-time favorite na most of the time I know any no kwhwe mema no lie na kwhwe mema no lie so a ye hwe category bi and I Ghana for the choosy but before see be remo no so Canada UK USA Germany Portugal Italy Ireland Spain na o send this car at the Abagana you should Lemfi never send this car Lemfi say o send this car free until she promo code enye Poleeno Poleeno we send this car Lemfi be hwe so na wa dash o kama pa ama bibia akoso at the amount Nako and just both films on YouTube Oko YouTuber Angie's boat films or the roommate Angie's condos at them episode part 1 at home part 2 so I drop it and then to go no copy be na share drop it it's a very powerful story me will be squad in will be go and see Papa J acting skills in roommate or be feeling ko Angie's won't be Marcus squad in na e won't be kono go shebi bibia nko so kama pa emfa emma vo ene yen komo aye bedi no it's about why and the favorite and as all-time favorite actor Mami Kumawood because se me kase me crosso e dey akọ the whole Ghana unso be bodin bi so what I say but nipa na or this conversation we be to ho no or you be most of the movies are we nyina no key movies especially movies that are made in Kumasi what I say movies that are made in Kumasi and you be say bia the Kumawood movies Nana Ama McBrown Her Excellency Nana Ama McBrown say Empress now Ama Mfonshada nti say Her Excellency and also Her Excellency Nana Ama McBrown the versatile actress any bolare edi enkomo bi na enkomo na Nana Ama McBrown ni bolare edi en bolare busa ne say in movies and as or started say or acting as an actress no actor ben and as a when on any actor obetimi aka say we am all time favorite actor na McBrown can say why ye juma bebrebe oni artist bebrebe aye adwuma na mu ne oni ne ye adwuma o feel eboa no no ne ye adwuma ne kobo mu say yes why ye adwuma pa de so okasa okapa de a Kofi Adu Alex and Kofi Adu Agya Koo and all time favorite Agya Koo and all time favorite oni na nama ya adwene oni na nama ya adwene say Agya Koo na all time favorite and it is all time favorite no say na nama say Agya Koo a also odie anyone this is another question me to ede amount yen hwa de bi wona be say yesua de kakra say you say all time favorite actor e wo Ghana hanoma to me who say yen timi nyini papa ko pe ensi ho as all time favorite actor and adeba ko ne say Ghana has say you say you all time favorite actor most of the time no Ghana for no share the comic side no we choose say me boa we dey catch me if I am lying how dey o catch me omo ta share the comic side enti wo ko hwa omo ka say oh time no we fan say santo na ho sere santo na ho sere pa santo free ho ko ye no Agya Koo so ba Agya Koo na ho sere pa Agya Koo free ho no kwakumanu so na ho free pa ne ho sere pa ebi mu so ba Dr. Like mu so aba Dr. Like so ne ho sere pa you can see say omo share the comic side no more enti se Ghana ha so we actor na se wo act na se anye comica o hete pa nanso so Ghana for who are how must bo edi share the comic actors no ana no den chen omo act the romantic roles no omo take roles as role be say omo tie glamorous movies no because say obi share Agya Koo sisi a obi share kwakumanu sisi a obi share Dr. Like sisi a fans be pu edi akọ Dr. Like so no sa fans no o share obi ti say Majid Michel and now share obi ti say Van Vicker wo hu Van Vicker all right but so be ko ombe pu akoku Van Vicker so no I na ye omodin you get it that is one secret and you say bia Van Vicker oni fans o ana John Domelo oni fans o ana say Majid ni fans o push ani say push ani fans o nemo fans na omo push na omo say John Domelo no Majid ni Van Vicker me they see them say we mu dey omo say acting into no untimi nche enko omo nchen enye sa omo you know say oh we me hu but say the moment actor ni be hu Dr. Like actor be hu Wayosi actor be hu Kwakumenu Agya Koo no omo rush konkora ni ba be gunu hu bebre even in penyimfo no kra ba be gunu hu bebre ni no kwatwa picture but omo Van Vicker any day so be ko Van Vicker nchen any na kwatwa picture me sa experience me boa wo de monka me boa wo de ka me boa na it's like that so see you can say best actor and I say most and I say all time favorite actor and I gonna for the money ko share the comic side and so to me make I say mintimi nka say asumesi nko a and all time favorite actor so make I say on all time favorite actor dia betimi categorize and say e ba ne comica we and the all time favorite actor but Ama McBrown no what choose say a bunny siri twemu pa dia favorite actor Agya Koo ampa oh kanso so a Agya Koo abo adwuma from the brave days of Kumawood movies over kaya those days they be make say Nigerian movies na ye hwe Nigerian movies o Ghana ha pa even na makra kan Saturday Nigerian movies na ye hwe but the time Agya Koo miracle films book of Agya Koo ni be wura game no and man the outcome of Nigerian movies na ba Ghana ha no equitable form those days Alexibo Productions no every week movies if in Nigeria ba no enyansem keto akra Tony Omes, Pet Odochi, Pete Bruno, Kanayo, Patience Ozoko, Uche Jumbo, Ini Edo. What I say? Omunyina na movies ni bagana sa Gentle Jack, obetima bodin bebre e dia ka Belutus Ogonos Dulibe, All Soldier Never Dies, Aki and Popo, Chiwetale Agu. Those days no Isakaba movies are na bagana no. Now no day. But a certain Agya Koo bi ba ye no. And man, the face of Ghana movies as a sign. Obe be a chance. And man, people be enya kwans be Ghana movie industry. Inti uti na Ama McBrown. Yenti asama na Ama McBrown. Ekaye concerning nkomo Bulare ediye.
All-time favorite actor will be who?
Ghana pa right now. Everybody's good though, but I think my all-time will be Agya Koo.
Agya Koo.
Yes, my all-time because you know. That's when me and Agya Koo
you gel.
Yes, and that's why we could do movies too. At that time was full of Nigerian movies. We switched.
Okay.
So if I switch something, it's like, Bola, you made this show.
Right.
You are not there. Somebody come and sit and make the show. You will still not forget the struggle you went through to build this show.
Right.
You know, so my all-time is Agya Koo.
Agya Koo. And for the women, you out of the equation, who will it be for you?
Women, idiot. Look, let me tell you one thing about Ghanaian actresses. I think with the
So who the McBrown air kano because ohwe impact Agya Koo enya won so e wo sini twam a ohun say exceptional oni actors be right adwuma McBrown ni like him ye adwuma oni kokumenu aye adwuma oni acrobato aye adwuma hwa acrobato very serious actor but who say acrobato no si yakase ne ka comedian so e wo movie industry no ma ultimate financial but he is so funny or you be an who say all right but also oye good oh but you list all-time favorite actors are over cast own fan count because on your comedian. But acrobato timi in film. Why all aspect? Obe mo wasre e man serious so de be ma wo. But what in America say? Ain't you a better that direction? I mean me want to say I don't was here categorizing no. Because you cast all-time favorite actor in romantic scenes are obi ko kobo different people are on fire Agya Koo so nka ho. On for comedians nka ho and as on for more movie a funny no enka ho your names are obebobo she somebody like Bella Samoa fantastic actor by all standard so what I say and to be because Bella Samoa my all-time favorite actor if you are getting my point because on so eba no role bia untouchable obe kele na ma say yen shatter oba pa wo sinim yen flexing go maso yen romance ma pa Bella Samoa sense life mu nyina wo ho what is Isaac Amaku mu nyina bae what in America na say your guys they are also good in certain areas and the all-time favorite actors no it depends on who the pakona work no me to me that is idea me person kaye hu no na ma actor bi tiri anya den ama me ye ne de anya say ono na big eche obi bia e wo Ghana ha because who ka say wo ye big obi so ka say wo ye big Agya Koo ka say wo ye big obi so be ka say ono so ye big because obi play the role in the Ghana movie industry because the last time mini Agya Koo di nkomo some time ago mini Agya Koo di nkomo no ono so kana sem concerning adwuma waye de ono so ni ye adwuma ofi say eboa ne pa itimi kopa no wa mo obi edi say obo senior bobo wayosi edin yentie nkomo mini Agya Koo di ye abramika wayosi wansem na Agya Koo so kire se bani sini twam pa o Ghana ha pa dia nipa oni twasini Oye okay a omutimi giale pa no yenti Agya Koo mra
Okay. Inti menene balance no meka be my ha na yeko. Ifa half ha. Okay. Ifa half ha. Ifa half ha. Ampa so ohwe Ghana movie ya. The bibiala yebeka 1 and 2 anechese. Waka ho bi. Yebeka part 1 and 2 anechese oyeden. Waka ho bi sini nam so agigi din bebre soso no. Ombi. Inti na menene ne balance no de. Nyame anim ni. Menye sure say if you say your shots, you be pim say abre obi ni obi was collaboration be pim.
Eno na e mo aka because nipa be brain no mo ya adwuma industry. But e ba ne say oni wayo de mo be type yon kwara be no person ko mo di wachi. E yes ne na oni wayo ye no. But omo nya sa chance no.
Creativity ni ne doso. As ye bi ko US nyina chese ne ye pese ye niema bi comedy bi niema bi a chese obi a be sere me ka se ye koye concert bi a ne ye no. Na as ye se mi tu kwan. On Kobe. And ni kwan se baby a make odo obekobi. Ti mi briefcase kesi a me de tu kwan. Mi dru kwan no a ye de sheka na ohim. Just we yi mi niam na gu ama. Ohim kwan bi aso ane me be kosa akwantu no.
Wow.
Nti na e ma manfo ani giya a chese. Ukoko d'Ivoire Abidjan haya. Omo hwe Ghana movie pa but omo mpe obi asem se me ne wayosi.
Okay.
Into what Agya Koo na kwa mbefa so boni din no de esre ama na omo ye translation no e ko French kase mo omo ti de menene ye ntu omo pe ye to da because ye program wa Abidjan ya metiwe timi ko boban wa Abidjan na Abidjan minister wa yi soldiers
wow
e bia me boban na ya be guide me.
Okay.
Utimi ma na yire ye aduane brem hotel meda. Iwi apeka kratom butom oso ko school no wotena Santasi. Enti said ye sekrum 4J no so no. Ama ope yasem ankasa. Anya me nko na think say waye sa de na mami. Ka che kwa me apia na nampadu.
Okay.
And I think say minia otodwom nanatabi.
Oh okay. Since you have Red Kingdom. But menya we de nkomo bi ho ye bedi na ye de sini nyina aka ho bi YouTube sha say na Agya Koo nshada nya active bebre because you say way back ya kase sini Ghana de ntimi new free but YouTube e ba ye na o ye say o ba be hye adwuma ase no o de tudwa say o ba ama sini asan aba be gyan na so biom o sha say o ye adwuma ye o ni say obota ya o de si wani so for now movie industry no abem anase ebem.
Oh, mekan say ewo ho but ye nyina enim say sini adwuma no in fact nyame enim no kreda ho a no aka nse metetenan ana YouTube no so nyame enim no chelpa bem ansa na mekura me biwurem because na enye say YouTube no mempeo but na me pese metena se na mehwe saade na ye frɛ no YouTube no e ba sen na etie
so Agya Koo say all kasa no he's also talking about Wayosi. McBrown elbow Agya Koo din Agya Koo so elbow Wayosi din talking about say Wayosi on so ni all time best actor on initial so mo act here ohun say everything is on point for him to the sense of motive actor to copy America nyina so all time favorite actor no me person me center on one person because also center on one person na say wo de wani hwe one side e bia wo hwe the comic side no wo ko bo nipa bi din eno wo ho na so ba be hwe the other side no so a wo be bo obi din enti wo body na it should be in categories. The comedy side no you bet me aka say oh Agya Koo wo ho Dr. Like wo ho Kwakumenu wo ho Wayosi wo Akobeto wo bet me abosa bet me abo ahye ho obi am big roje o sa na over this side so a we kasa say but I know most of the time sa competition no me knew say you can say best na competition na ko gina emema na side. What about the ladies? Because Bolare ni McBrown kasa no obusa ne say we emema na emma no so ho no na McBrown yes nko ba be kire no bibi about emma no so anytime bia no the competition between the guys the men the actors, not the actresses. Actresses inside they are okay. Omu ni sa competition wo omu sa. But the band member side that hona banta no no. We simi na me best. We simi na me role bia me na me timi act. Me metimi act role bia my am robber. My akokra. My abrantie. my say na we so aba say me so de me my row way aye row way eba no row way a me so me ko na me so betimi aye etia ma obi a claim that title of being the all-time best actor or the all-time favorite actor, but obi a woni de, you get it, obi a woni de ye obi mu ho mo bo mu sua binom. We have a lot of actors who are Ghana Hanama. Omo hwe ebi no picking them be here then efiri omo ho. Ehwe ni pe bi sua them be here then efiri. There are actresses omo so hwe nkofo bi wo industry ni ma. Omo hwe omo picking them be wo yenum actresses bebre wa. Omo act here you can see say omo sua them be kakra then efiri them be wo. Se ba ne say ne den a na sa wo ba foforo na person ye ne den a. Your actress bi wo no multimedia we mu de ba ne den a. Ma me nkɔhwe asomasi. Obetuma ko hwe bi say ma mesese edu. So what you say? So you want ways. Obi our best. Oh baby our. So where your best are? You better categorize no e say. Messi say do pa. E ba say near din role pa there. She is the all-time favorite actress. Sanso so boku wo check kwahwe Mami Magani Grace Note. Say ba na near din no so oye the you see? So sa title no there. Me and me jam me to fan show bia. Me to fan show bia. It is about you. Mo a mo hwe movie na wo hwe me no. Medical busa question that. List it. Me say ma one all-time favorite actor comedy. For nomination bra. The comment section. List it. Kumawood na me no kasa no. All-time favorite actor. The nominees are no one list it. 1 2 3 na ye de ko. So what is it depending who mo na mo hwe no. E na mo be kire. Me pesa actor bi atimu ye ne de. Me pesa actor bi atimu ye ne de. McBrown boy Agya Koo aboso deserve it because waye bi da. Waye bi. Sanso na nso bebo bela samo abaso. Se bela samo nso so no waye bi e ban this particular role ah. Oye good. Sarabo McBrown abaso McBrown so waye dynamic. Otimi ye say nti ba say ah McBrown so e hye so it depends. To me it depends on the ye hwehwe no. Anse na yetimi ache say we e all time favorite actor. Artist ni na bo adwuma obi a bo adwuma me mpesa be de crown be hye ba akofo na kwakwa say we because rawo ka say no waso be sin so because me no we are making at the comment section there is going to be a banter man for because papa je na wo kan we so we say it depends on you. It depends on you. Obi a bo adwuma ya ka say hwefre kire ba ye bo bodin bebrebe obu nyina bo adwuma all the in the movie industry. Enti ya chia actors and actresses nyina mo bo adwuma mo nkoso na mo bo adwuma ye pese adwuma ne mu ye den ye vibrant na pekese na na tie tem se na tie pepepe na enyina na so na produce more talent. O hwa young guys no so ba more talented guys are or mo ba o mo betan onya nso se ye bo omudi. This time we are talking about the mpanyimfo no the gurus we game no omo wasam ye ka ba yon kran no so bi omo so ba kran bi omo so a time will come na e gina wo se a omo so mu di ni be den ye bebo enti nana Ama McBrown conversation no e na kofa sa komo ya midi nyina ye den e de aba enti to me no wo so asema komo me ni udi e se watemase e bia na wo so ntemase but that is my point of view. Me nkofo bi so wa kire omo so edi nkomo a kire me a ama me so mi gina ha be so me no we den eka ayede we edi enkomo no enti wo de wo fa wo de bra na afi no ye ndwendwene ho ye nyina ye ndwendwene ho na ye mbo ama Ghana movie no emfa na to mapa emfra medim the fresh boy Papa J and ye be this no enkomo kakra and me try say mini senior bobo wayosi e be di enkomo about this particular issue no so yahwe ne side. Thank you for watching. Password and handle camera edit bibia. Executive producer Poleeno Ade Armstrong all the way in the UK. Thank you for watching. Ye bounce so peace. I'm out.